units of length. Now, you either know or you've already been wondering what the other side of the ruler is, how to use it, right? And what those little measurements all talk about, and that's the metric unit. So every other place in the world uses a metric system except for the United States, we use inches. So, but the metric units are pretty easy to understand because we go by tens. So, centimeter and the decimeter are units to measure length. Okay, so we can say about a crayon is about 1 decimeter or 10 centimeters. Okay, so 1 decimeter is 10 centimeters. Pretty easy, right? So for every decimeter, we have 10 centimeters. So length of an eraser, we would probably use centimeters. Decimeters are bigger than centimeters, remember that, okay? Length of a book, we would use decimeter. The length of a calculator, again, we would use decimeters. What about the length of a mosquito? Probably 1 centimeter, right? Length of a garden snake, probably, I'm not sure how big garden snakes are, but definitely not 1 centimeter, so maybe 3 decimeters. Length of a paperclip is about 1 centimeter. Length of a cassette tape, which you guys don't even know what it is, so I'm not even going to go there. So, again, when we're comparing, you got to use this. Just remember that 1 decimeter is 10 centimeters. Okay, so 2 decimeters is 20 centimeters. Okay, and 3 decimeters would be 30. 4 decimeters would be 40 centimeters. Okay, so it's really easy to convert, or to compare. But again, you can't compare decimeters to centimeters. You have to get them both the same so you can convert them, or you compare them. I'm sorry. So again, 4 decimeters. Let me pull up this again. 4 decimeters is how many centimeters? It's 40. So 43 centimeters is larger. Great. So we have 1 decimeter, or 1 decimeter is how many centimeters? We know that's 10. And this makes it very easy to compare. Okay, so this chart here too will be very helpful. Okay, this is, I think, very simple because it's just by tens. Whereas everything else we've kind of compared, it kind of takes a little bit more thinking. Okay, so this one should be rather, I think it's easier. But again, I am happy to help talk you through it again on Thursday, so we can get any confusions or questions answered.